Welcome back to Grafx IT Career Cafe. How are you all people? I trust all of you are doing great. Many have been responding to us asking for more videos on guidance for learning Java. Thank you all for following our channel. In this episode, we have come up with another interesting topic, and that is what are the useful websites, blogs and forums for Java developers to improve their command over Java. Indeed, this will help you solve many coding problems easily, as the question you got today might have been raised by many earlier and could have been already answered on many forums websites. This website provides news, answers to popular questions, interview questions, coding lectures, etc. Quality is the key factor of good websites. Problem with many of us is though there are many great websites that help us in learning, many of us don't put efforts to find them. Now, let me share some of the best online resource sites available for Java developers and how they help. Number 1. StackOverflow.com. StackOverflow.com is probably the most popular website in the programming world. There are millions of questions and answers. Learning an API or a programming language, people often rely on code examples. Stack Overflow has a lot of code segments. Another good thing about Stack Overflow is that it's a social. You can view questions under some certain tags. Example, Java and regex. Then you can see what question is most frequently asked and most voted. This can serve as a good resource for learning. Also a good resource to write popular topics of Java bloggers. Number 2, Dijon.com. I would say this website is fun. Lots of developers shares their blog articles. It is like an adventure. You never know what you are going to read next from this site. Here you find great ebooks and e-magazines that help you understanding the current trends in the IT world today. Number 3, LeadCode.com. If interview question is Java specific, like what array look like in memory in Java, you can get answers from Java websites. However, if the question is something like how to convert an sorted array to a balanced tree, then LeadCode is the right place to go. It is a social platform for preparing IT technical interviews and contains a collection of algorithm related questions. The best part is that it also has an online judge which can check if your code is correct or not by feeding different size of data. To be successful in a technical interview, they believe it is mainly repeating these 3 important steps: code, read and discuss. Number 4, Java SC Technical Documentation. This website contains all documents you will need to use API of Java SC. Even if you are an advanced level Java developer, I'm pretty sure that you will find something useful and official here. For example, you can read some tutorials of essential Java classes, deployment, etc. Number 5, GetHub. You probably know that you can host your project free there, but you may not know it is an excellent resource for learning Java libraries and frameworks. For instance, if you want to learn Spring, MVC framework, you can search and find some open source projects. As the monkey see, monkey do rule works for learning frameworks, you will be able to learn the frameworks quickly by examples, especially if you are an experienced developer. Number 6, Coursera. This is the best site for video lectures. You can find a lot of good computer science courses from famous professors of top schools. Some of them are even the inventor of some computer science areas. And the website name is Coursera.org. Number 7. Java World. This site contains a large collection of Java tutorials on various kinds of topics. A lot of articles are well written and has pictures or diagrams for illustrations. It can be used as a book for deep learning. And the website name is javaworld.com. Number 8. IBM Developerworks. It has a lot of nice articles written by IBM people. I have found numerous useful articles and presentations for advanced Java developing on IBM Developerworks, which includes a Java emphasis. And the website name is ibm.com/developerworks/Java. Number 9. Program Creek. Comparing with the above other websites, the size of the programcreek.com is much smaller. But the good thing about it is that it is a well-written site that can provide some fun to read. You can find some topics that haven't been written by any other websites, and each of the articles always contains nice diagram or code examples. It contains articles written by people from different areas, that is research or industry, and it is always updated and shared all good quality stuff for Java developers. The website name is programcreek.com. I trust you find the video very helpful in improving your Java programming skills. If you have any queries, please drop a small mail or drop a comment. If you like our videos, do like, share and subscribe. We come up with more interesting videos on programming in our next episodes. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.